ಸಹಕಾರಿ ರಂಗದ ಖ್ಯಾತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾದ ಭಾರತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಭಾರತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 14ರಂದು ಕುರ್ಲಾ ಪೂರ್ವದ ಬಂಟರ ಭವನದ ಸಭಾಗೃಹದಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನವಿಡೀ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಮಯ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಜರುಗಿತು. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಸೂರ್ಯಕಾಂತ್ ಜೆ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಅವರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಶ್ರೀ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗುರುಗಳ ಭಾವಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ಭಾರತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಂದ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆರಂಭವಾಯಿತು.
ಪರಿಪಾಲಯ ಪರಮೇಶಿ ಕಮಲಾಲಯ ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಕುರಿಪಿಂಚವೇ ಕರುಣಾಂಬುರಾಸಿ ಧೀಂ ತಾರಾ ಧೀಂ ಧೀಂ ತಾರಾ జతులతో కాణమే నాట్యం చేసే గతులతో నామశతం మూల నటులతో నాపైన నీ చూపు ఆవేళ
प्यासा प्यासा अंबर जब चूमता है सागर को, ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत जब चूमते हैं अंबर को, प्यासा प्यासा अंबर जब चूमता है सागर को, प्यार में नहाने डूब ही जाने को दिल मेरा ललचाए, कोई तो आ जाए, ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए। नील नील अंबर पर चांद जब आए, प्यार बरसाए, हमको तरसाए।
फक्त तुझ्या नावाचं हाय तुझ्या हाताने मांग भरून दे, सुखा दुःखाची साथी तुझी होणार हाय तुझ्या हाताने घास भरून दे, कुंकू लावणार फक्त तुझ्या नावाचं हाय तुझ्या हाताने मांग भरून दे, सुखा दुःखाची साथी तुझी होणार हाय तुझ्या हाताने घास भरून दे, तू फक्त बोल कुठली गाडी पाहिजे, हिरो होंडा की ऑडी पाहिजे, होटाची लाली नी कानाची पालखी, हातात सोन्याची घडी पाहिजे, नको मला बंगला नको गाडी पाहिजे, राजा मला नऊवारी साडी पाहिजे, नको मला बंगला नको गाडी पाहिजे, राजा मला नऊवारी साडी पाहिजे, नको मला बंगला नको गाडी पाहिजे, राजा मला नऊवारी साडी पाहिजे.
ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಸೂರ್ಯಕಾಂತ್ ಜೆ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಅವರ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿರು ಸಭಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಜರುಗಿತು. ಭಾರತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಗೌರವ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಪವನ್ ಜೆ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ತಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
I thank all the members for sparing their valuable time and attending this event in a huge numbers. Your presence is a testament to a strong bond that unites us as a colleagues and friends. We are thrilled to see the enthusiasm and the participation in dance as well as singing participation. Bharat Bank Staff Welfare Club has come a long way since its inception in the year 1989. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that the club has completed the 35 long years of its existence in this current calendar year. I take this opportunity to recognize and acknowledge the sacrifice and dedicated service rendered by the members of the club in these 35 long years. I would like to thank the founder member of the club for planting such a beautiful seed which grew into a big tree in these 35 years. A legacy of our Bharat Bank Staff Welfare Club is to carry numerous social activities like cultural, educational, spiritual, motivational, physical activities throughout the years since its inception. And this year we also added in our list, we had a memento to all the members who had completed 25 years of service and membership with the club. and the club looks forward for continuous upgradation in the events calendar in future years too. I thank our chairman sir, Shri Suryakant Suvarna sir, vice chairperson Advocate Shri Somnath Amin sir, and entire board of directors for the continuous support. I also acknowledge the tireless efforts of our organizing committee and volunteers who has worked diligently to make this event a success. As we celebrate today, let us also recognize the importance of teamwork, collaboration and mutual support that define the objective of our Bharat Bank Staff Welfare Club. Thank you once again for your presence and I wish you all have an enjoyable and memorable day ahead. Thank you.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಸೂರ್ಯಕಾಂತ್ ಜೆ ಸುವರ್ಣ, ಉಪ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ನ್ಯಾಯವಾದಿ ಸೋಮನಾಥ್ ಬಿ ಅಮೀನ್, ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರುಗಳಾದ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಎಂ ಸಾಲಿಯಾನ್, ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ಜೆ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಎಸ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಅಶೋಕ್ ಎಂ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾನ್, ಮೋಹನ್ ದಾಸ್ ಜಿ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ನರೇಶ್ ಕೆ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ನಿರಂಜನ್ ಎಲ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಕೆ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ದಯಾನಂದ್ ಆರ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಗಣೇಶ್ ಡಿ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಹರೀಶ್ ವಿ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಎಲ್ ಸುವರ್ಣ, ಸುರೇಶ್ ಬಿ ಸುವರ್ಣ, ಆಶಾ ಆರ್ ಬಂಗೇರ, ಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಪಿ ಸಾಲಿಯಾನ್, ಗೌರೇಶ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾನ್, ಜಯಶ್ರೀ ಎಂ ಹೆಜಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಜೆ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಸದಸ್ಯರುಗಳಾದ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಕೆ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾನ್, ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಡಿ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಭಾರತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಹಾಗೂ ಭಾರತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಆಡಳಿತ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾನಂದ ಎಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೇರ ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸಿದರು.
Pawan stated that 35 years ago, in the year 1989, we have started this club with the noble intention of creating a cohesiveness environment in the bank. In bank, when we enter bank branch or any of the office, back office, we normally come for day-to-day work. But we need to have a better environment there. With that intention, our seniors then had this idea and we have started this. That time, we had a very good visionaries, good management team. When we talk about the inception of the club, I need to remember a few great leaders, great souls. That time we had one Mr. R.V. Amin as our HR head. He was the instrumental person. He is the person who has started this idea. That time we had late B.R. Suvarna sir as a GM and CEO of the bank. Mr. D.K. Anchan was the chairman. We had a support of D.B. Amin sir, ex-chairman, and Vishwanath R. Pujari. I think if I don't remember them at this moment, it will be fault on my side. So wherever they are, they will be happy to see this kind of program from day one. So salute to them. We are grateful to them. See, we have almost 1,400 plus employees. Of course, all employees are members of this club. It is implied responsibility of all the members to safeguard the interest of the bank. The bank is providing everything. Basic needs, at least food, shelter, clothing, right from our joining date to till we retire or till we work in the bank. When I see some of the employees, they have given very good education to their children. Many of them have completed their chartered accountancy exams. Many of them have become engineers, IT professionals, doctors, and various other postgraduates. So they all gained certain status in the society. And our employees have done all this to their children. So they have grown, we have grown, bank is grown. Now the question is, what best we can do for our bank? We have capacity, we have our opportunity, our management is very good. As a members of this club and of course members family, we all have that responsibility towards our bank and most of us are doing that.
ಮುಂದುವರೆದು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ವೇಗವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಶ್ರಮಿಸೋಣ ಎಂದರು.
Saying it's very good, but we are not bad also. We are improving. We need to improve. Lot need to be done. But at the same time, NPAs, with all the efforts, it's decreasing. Business slowly improving, particularly credit uptake is improving. But that's not enough. Question here is where we need to go, where we need to reach. NPA recovery, I think almost all branches at central office, everywhere we are making all efforts. Our efforts should be to restrict additions and reduce existing NPAs. All employees, all my colleagues, please try your best, whatever possible we need to do.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಗೌರೇಶ್ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದರು.
It gives me immense pleasure to say that I belong to Namma Bank. I feel it's my privilege that I have been asked to be part of the bank and be associated with that. It is, after seeing the function that has been going on so far, whatever little I had thought I would speak, I have forgotten completely, because such is the kind of act that has been put so far in this stage today. I have been immensely blessed, I feel, to be part of this show. It's no less than an award function, I should say. The kind of acts, the kind of dances or the singing or the pilivesha and the culture that you have represented of India, it's truly an Indian culture that we have represented today. I am extremely feeling glad that I did come here for this function along with my family. At the outset, I should thank the chairman, the management and the organizers of this function for having invited me and my wife for this function. I am really truly blessed to be there.
ಸೂರ್ಯಕಾಂತ್ ಜೈ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳ ಸಮರ್ಪಣಾ ಮನೋಭಾವ, ಸೃಜನಶೀಲತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಏಕತೆಯ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಶಸ್ಸುಗೊಳಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಇದೇ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಇರಲಿ ಎಂದರು.
Filled with gratitude and pride for the incredible team that forms the backbone of Bharat Bank. Each one of you is the pillar of strength, a vital part of this family, and I'm here to remind you for the extraordinary power we hold when we work together in harmony and unity. Our bank has always stood for trust, service and excellence. These values are not mere words. They come alive in efforts you put in every single day. Yet, like family, there may be moments of misunderstanding or gaps in communication. But the greatness of this institution lies in how its people overcome challenges, turn the differences into opportunities for growth. We are not just colleagues, we are family, and families thrive when there is mutual respect, open communication, and shared purpose. Let us remember that our individual successes are tied to our collective progress. When one of us shines, the whole team shines. And we face hurdles, we stand together to overcome them. Let us leave behind any barriers of doubt or division and embrace the spirit of togetherness. Today's program, organized by Staff Welfare Club, is a perfect example of how we come together, not just professionals, but as community of talent and passionate individuals. This year, under the banner of Unmasking Talent Beyond Banking, we are reminded that our workplace is more than just desk and transaction. The effort you have shown in decorating the bank after working hours and the hours of practice for your performance are the testament to your dedication, creativity and love for the institution. The healthy competition we witness today is not just entertaining, but also a celebration of unique skills and camaraderie that defines Bharat Bank. Each of us has a role that contributes to much larger mission, serving our customers, empowering our communities, and building bank synonymously with the trust and innovation. Imagine the power of combined efforts, the potential we can unlock when every department, every individual moves in the same direction. Together we can achieve heights that none of us could really reach alone. I urge you bring kindness into your interaction, not just with your customers, but with each other. A word of encouragement, a little helping hand, or simply listening to one another can make a world of difference. Empathy creates bond, and strong bond creates unshakable team. We are on a journey to not just maintain a legacy but to build on it. My dream is for Bharat Bank to be a shining example of professionalism, innovation and human values. This dream can only be realized with an unwavering dedication and workplace filled with positive and camaraderie. I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Staff Welfare Club for organizing this beautiful event and to each of you for going above and beyond your regular duties. From decorating the bank to practicing your performance after hours, you have proven that this is more than just a job, it's a passion. Let us take a spirit of today, carry it forward into everything we do. Just as you have poured your energy into making this event a success, let us channelize the same dedication into daily responsibilities. Let this celebration be a reminder of what we can achieve when we are together. As we enjoy the festivities, let's cherish the talent and joy that surrounds us. Together we will continue to make Bharat Bank a name that stands for excellence, togetherness and the celebration of talent beyond banking. Thank you for your dedication, your creativity and most importantly, for believing in the power of unity. Let's march forward with pride, hand in hand, towards the brighter future. Enjoy the program, unmask your talent, and let's continue to achieve extraordinary together. Thank you.
ಭಾರತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಸದಸ್ಯರು, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಜಂಟಿ ಆಡಳಿತ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರೂ ಆದ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಬಿ ಸಾಲಿಯಾನ್, ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಗೌರವ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಪವನ್ ಜೆ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಗೌರವ ಕೋಶಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮೋಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರು. ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಸದಸ್ಯೆ ಕರಿಷ್ಮಾ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಸಭಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಿರೂಪಿಸಿದರೆ, ಮೋಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆರಂಭವಾಯಿತು. ನಟ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಲತೇಶ್ ಎಂ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸೋನಾಲಿ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿರೂಪಿಸಿದರು. ದಿನವಿಡೀ ನಡೆದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಶಸ್ಸುಗೊಳ್ಳುವಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಗೌರವ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಪವನ್ ಜೆ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಗೌರವ ಕೋಶಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮೋಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಗೌರವ ಆಂತರಿಕ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪರಿಶೋಧಕ ಆಶೀಶ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾನ್, ಜೊತೆ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಮನೋಜ್ ಬಿ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಜೊತೆ ಕೋಶಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ನಿಧಿ ವಿ ಮೂಲ್ಯ, ಸದಸ್ಯರುಗಳಾದ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಕೆ ಸನಿಲ್, ಸೌರಭ್ ಎ ಅಗ್ರವಾಲ್, ದೀಪಕ್ ಎಂ ಪ್ರಭು, ಕರಿಷ್ಮಾ ಆರ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ರೋಹನ್ ಎಸ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ರಕ್ಷತ್ ರಾಜ್ ಆರ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿದರು. ಭಾರತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿಕೆ ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳು ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗೀತ, ನೃತ್ಯದ ಮೂಲಕ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದರು. ಯೋಗೇಶ್ ಪುತ್ರನ್ ಜೊತೆ ವಾಣಿ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್, ಮುಂಬೈ ನ್ಯೂಸ್.